Hello everyone, greetings from me. I'm Divya Lakshmi, your communicative English teacher. So first of all, I just welcome you all for this AV class, that is audiovisual class. So today we are going to see two concepts. One is the approach towards your textbook and what is given in the textbook. The next one is the first chapter's story. So without making any delay, let's go and see how your textbook looks like. So this is the content page given in the textbook, and as I have explained in the last year itself, that is, you have 6 chapters and each chapter carries a theme which has been explained with a valid title. So that title might contain a drama, a poetry, a chapter from a novel, or even it can be a short story. So let's see what is given in the first chapter. So even before we go with the first chapter, I just want you to keep one thing in mind, that is communicative English is all about LSRW. So for the sake of explaining the concept, I'm explaining the chapter, but I really need you people to read and record your audio and send me for the reading activity. I will also send the sample of how to read with proper pronunciation, intonation and stress. Okay, so let's go with the first chapter. The first chapter carries the title of In Harmony with the World, and it got the theme of human values. So if it is a classroom, I might have asked you what are the values we have, but here like it's just one-to-one, it's not even one-to-one interaction. So let's directly go to the bookish contents. So here your first activity is you have to unscramble the given letters. The jumbled letters, you have to create it as a word. So let's read what are the words given there. The first one is freedom. Next is trust, love, rule of law, peace, prosperity, dignity, equality and justice. So yes, so that's your first activity, and your next one is they have asked a question. Okay, let me read it. You must have come across discrimination of various kinds in the news. Discuss in pairs and list out a few. So here I want this to be done as an individual activity. You have to find the discriminated news items or newses on discrimination, and at least give me an example and send it to me. Okay, at least write an example and send it to me. So let me explain what is discrimination. Discrimination is a very simple term. Okay, the term it means is bias, unjust. Okay, for example, even in the 21st century there is a kind of discrimination, like women are not treated as men. Okay, this is a very common example of discrimination. So let's go ahead with the next activity, that is the given below are certain words, terms used for human values and human rights. We have to clarify it, classify that. So the first I have given in colors. Okay, 2 different colors I have chosen. One is red and another one is purple. So human values have been given a tick mark in red color, and human rights have been ticked with the color of purple. Okay, yes. So I wish I just give a reading of it. Yes. So human values are honesty, self-esteem, compassion, trust, tolerance, gratitude, mercy, kindness and humility. And human rights are language, speech, religion, justice, expression, liberty, speech again, and the citizenship, education, equality and information. Yes. So now let's go with the story. So before we start with the story, let me explain the introduction alone. Okay, so the passage, okay, before the passage they had given a quote written by J.K. Rowling. J.K. Rowling is a very famous Indian English writer, and he has written something about story. Let me read it now. There is always room for a story that can transport people to another place. Just look at the beauty of the language, man. It is very obvious. He had given just 2 lines. As we all are Indian, we are, very close with our grandparents. So if we are close with our grandparents, obviously we must be thinking about, their stories. They always tell us stories and make us sleep. So those stories have not just of imagination, that has love, dedication, and some kind of value included in it. So that is what he also says here. He says, like, those stories, actually with the help of stories, a human can transport himself to another place. He can imagine living in another place. Okay, yes, let us read the definition given in the book for short stories now. Short stories capture human values evolving from wide-ranging incidents and episodes. Each of the stories given below has a specific goal to teach unique values that are truly valuable in life. Even this is obvious. In this chapter, they have given 2 stories. One is on positive thinking and another one is on selflessness. So first of all, I'll tell you a story of positive thinking. So in this short story, you have 4 characters, you 4 objects, we can even say that. So first one is an old mule, next one is a farmer, third one are the neighbors, and the fourth one is the well. So these are the 4 parts of the story. So here the farmer owned an old mule. Okay, in they were in a kind of agricultural land, and at that time that old mule has fell into a well. Okay, so that well even is of no use. So now the owner of the well as well as the mule, as the old farmer, was thinking whether to save it or just close the well along with the old mule. The term mule means it's a type of donkey. Okay, so it's of no use. So both the creature and the well is of no use. So he had decided to close the well along with the mule with the help of his neighbors. So he have called the neighbors, and with the help of them he just dig the mud and put it above the old mule. So if we were in that condition, we might have lost it, we might have given up. Yes, this is the end of my day, so I'm gonna die. This kind of negative thoughts might have haunted your mind. But here what old mule had did this. First even it was emotional, but later on it decided, yes, I need to live. So all of a sudden it got a thought. So whenever the mud has fallen above its back, it shook itself, and then the mud has fallen down. With the help of the mud below its leg, it just climbed up and up and up and again. Okay, finally it reached the top, and with the kind of positive thinking and the triumphant behavior, it just overcome its difficulty. So here in the small passage that is clearly explained. So that is what life is all about. We have to face our problems. We have to bring a solution with a positive mindset. Instead of self-pitying, instead of getting panicked, we have to be positive even at our difficult situations. Okay, so that is a story about the positive thinking, and